Good morning, everyone. Today our topic is types of non-ideal solution. Now, first of all, that one is what is non-ideal solution. As I explained in earlier video, non-ideal solutions are those who are not obeying Raoult's law. Yeah, simple. Those who do not obey Raoult's law. Okay, then even delta V mixing is not equal to 0. It means either it is greater than 0 or less than 0. Delta H, it's an enthalpy change. Mixing is not equal to 0. It means it's either more than 0 or less than 0. Now second thing is, in this one more thing, that one is in non-ideal solution, that is interaction. Okay, generally that in this one, that a okay plus b interaction is not equal to ab interaction. This one is ab interaction. Now this one is what is AABB interaction and all. You know that simple. A, generally solvent is represented by A, and B, that one is solute. Okay, so now suppose if we will take binary solution, so generally binary solution is formed by the combination of two components, generally by the combination of two liquid. Now suppose one is take it as solvent, one is take it as solute. So in this one, just check. So that one is AA interaction, solvent interaction. That one is another liquid, that is BB interaction. And when both combine, so generally which type of interaction form? A combined with B, so it forms AB type of interaction. But in case of ideal solution, generally AA plus BB interaction is equal to AB interaction, means both are same, so that type of solution is ideal solution. But if the interaction is not equal, okay, either it is less or either it is more, so that type of interaction is basically what? Okay, so this type of solution in which that interactions are not equal, so that one is known as non-ideal solution. Now on these basis, on the basis of these interactions and all, again that non-ideal solution shows two type of deviation. That's why we have how many types of non-ideal solution? It's a two. Okay, now first one is, it's a solutions showing positive deviation from Raoult's law. Okay, first one is it shows positive deviation. How it shows positive deviation? Yeah, which type of solution shows positive deviation? Okay, now in this one, keep it in mind one thing, that one is this type of deviation is shown when AB molecular interaction, okay, are weaker than this one is, that is AB interaction. Simple, it's a AB interaction is weaker than, okay, AA interaction, or either you can say BB interaction. Okay, this one is weaker. Okay, the interactions are weak. Okay, for example, now just see in this one, you can take example of ethanol plus, in this one you can take example of ethanol, okay, plus cyclohexane, then water plus methanol, CCl4, it's a carbon tetrachloride plus chloroform, etc. Okay, now in this one your work is simple, that AA interaction is stronger, or either BB interaction is stronger as comparison to AB interaction. Now just see in this one, I am explaining this with the help of which example? That one is, it's a ethyl alcohol, or either you can say it's ethanol, okay, plus this one is cyclohexane. Okay, I think you know, in case of ethyl alcohol, generally there is hydrogen bonding. If you will draw the structure, now just see, this one is C2H5, now this is OH, now this again it's a H, this one is partial negative, this one is partial positive, so the interaction between these two, okay, that one is a C2H5 and so on. Okay, so this one is basically hydrogen bond, and this type of bond, you know, this is a strong bond. Okay, then normally this interaction is strong when cyclohexane is added in it. Okay, so sum of the force of when cyclohexane is added, so particles interact with it, and but so this one again, that this bond is stronger, okay, and some of the particles of cyclohexane tends to occupy the space between ethyl alcohol molecule. Okay, consequently what happened? when ethyl cyclohexane is added to ethyl alcohol, then some molecules break and the attractive forces in alcohol are weakened. Previously it's strong, it's a hydrogen bond, but when you add cyclohexane, then some of the force of attraction is weakened and the escaping tendency of molecules ओके फ्रॉम द सॉल्यूशन इंक्रीजेज. जितने जितने वेपर्स हैं वो जल्दी जल्दी क्या करेंगे, मॉलिक्यूल्स दे आर स्टार्टेड एस्केपिंग, जाना शुरू कर देंगे. ओके एंड जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट द वेपर प्रेशर ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन इज ग्रेटर देन द वेपर प्रेशर एज एक्सपेक्टेड. इसलिए इसका जो वेपर प्रेशर है वो कंपैरेटिवली कैसा होगा, ज़्यादा होगा. ठीक है, नाउ जस्ट सी इन दिस वन, प्रीवियसली इट्स दिस वन इज स्ट्रॉन्गर, but here after mixing cyclohexane the force of attraction is weak, and if the force of attraction is weak, then what happened, more vapor pressure are formed as comparison to expected. That's why this type of solution where AB interaction is weaker, this one will shows positive deviation from Raoult's law. Okay, matlab they are not showing ideal behavior, so they are showing positive deviation. Now what's the effect on delta V mixing and delta VH? Okay, sorry, delta V mixing. Okay, so that also I'll explain with the help of simple example. Now suppose two containers we have. Now in this you can take any example, either it's ethyl alcohol, cyclohexane, same, but I'm explaining now in the form in terms of volume mixing and something. Now just see in this one, that is, suppose this is VA, I'm taking it as VA, and some particles of this one is A. Okay, the volume is given for this. Now just see for VB, another liquid, the volume of another liquid. Now just see both. When you combine both the liquid, okay, so it forms a solution. Okay, so when both the volumes combine together, now just see in this one, so this after combination नॉर्मल वन, अगर ये आइडियल गैस होता तो क्या बनना था, इसने VA प्लस VB, दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन कैसा आना चाहिए था, इतने तक आना चाहिए. बट जस्ट सी, okay, in this one previously the particles are closer, but after mixing now the interaction is weak. Okay, particles are moving, and just see in this one, instead of VA plus VB, the volume of solution is more as comparison to expected. जितना होना चाहिए था उतना नहीं है, उससे ज़्यादा है. Okay, so this one is, okay, now just see, sorry, this one is showing which type of deviation, that one is, okay, this one is showing, okay, positive deviation, because this one is norm, this one is for solution, this one is again for ideal solution, but after mixing both the liquid, okay, their volume is more than expected. Okay, so that's why they are showing positive deviation. Okay, and in this case, okay, generally that one is delta V mixing, okay, is greater than 0, क्योंकि 0 से इसका वॉल्यूम ज़्यादा हो चुका है. नाउ जस्ट सी, ओके, नाउ सेकेंड थिंग इज इन दिस, ओके, व्हाट अबाउट डेल्टा H मिक्स. एक्चुअली इन दिस वन जस्ट सी इंट्रैक्शन इज वीकर, sorry, after interaction the solution is weak. Okay, so it means some of the energy, okay, is absorbed, some of the energy is absorbed, and you know when energy is absorbed, generally that the value is in positive, so it means delta H mixing is greater than 0. Okay, so this one is regarding to solution showing positive deviation from Raoult's law. Okay, now second condition, if it is opposite, okay, so second type we have, that one is solution showing negative deviation from Raoult's law. Okay, acha, now in this one more thing we have, that one is you can represent this with the help of graph also. Okay, positive deviation or negative deviation, you can show it with the graph also, so I'll explain. Now just see in this one, this is your graph. Okay, normally this line is for ideal one, it's a PA naught, it's a pure substance, P naught B, it's a mole fraction is given to you. Now if these lines are a straight line, so that one is representing what, that one is representing ideal solution. Okay, but in this case, because it is showing positive deviation, just see the curves are, okay, over that line, normal one. Okay, तो normal से ऊपर है, because they are showing higher vapor pressure as comparison to normal, that's why their graph is like this one. Okay, this is regarding to solution showing positive deviation. Now second we have, that one is solution showing negative deviation from Raoult's law. Now in this case again condition is opposite. Now in this, that AB interaction is stronger than, in this, that AB interaction is stronger as comparison to, now just see, it's a AB interaction is greater than AA or BB interaction. Means previously the interaction is comparatively weak, but after combination of two liquid the interaction is strong. Okay, for example, you can take any example, either it's a water plus HNO3, water plus hydrochloric acid, we have chloroform, benzene, okay, we have acetone, chloroform, so many examples we have. I'm explaining this with the help of example. That one is acetone plus that one is chloroform, it's a CHCl3. Now so you know that one is acetone, formula is CH3COCH3, this is acetone. Okay, now in this, when you add, normally acetone volatile liquid, okay, their force of attraction is weak, but when you add chloroform in it, okay, just see, when you add chloroform in it, okay, now this one is partial positive, this one is partial negative, so generally they are formed and they are combined together with the help of hydrogen bond. This is a strong bond. Okay, that's why after interaction the bonding is strong, force of attraction is strong between particles. Okay, that's why less vapors are formed and their vapor pressure is less as comparison to expected. Okay, now so that's why it shows negative deviation. Same condition for volume and all. Now suppose two liquids are given, now in this VA and this one is VB, after mixing, okay, normally क्या होना चाहिए था for ideal solution, VA plus VB like this, दोनों को मिला के इतना वॉल्यूम होना चाहिए था, but now what happened, just see, particles are more closer as comparison to normal one. Why? Because the interaction between these two liquids are more, force of attraction ज़्यादा हो गया, that's why space between particle is less, हो गया इसमें less. Now in this case, that delta V mixing is, just see, less than 0, negative. Same condition for this stability, some of the energy is released, कुछ ना कुछ एनर्जी निकली है, it means delta H mixing is also less than 0, it means both are showing negative deviation. Okay, and same condition if you want to show this with the graph. Okay, so now one graph same but in negative direction. Now just see, in this one you have, okay, now in this case ideal solution, normal one is ideal, it's a dotted line, but they are showing that is negative curve. Now just see curve, this one is showing negative vapor pressure, means less vapor pressure as comparison to expected. So this one is graph for negative deviation. Okay, thank you.